What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Mike Collects Stuff. And I went to another Big Lots and I found 6 packages of Topps Heritage 2020 baseball. Let's get these open and see what we got. Alright guys, we got these 6 packs of 2020 Topps Heritage baseball. I believe they're fat packs, exclusive to Big Lots. 15 cards in a pack, includes 1 insert card. Let's see if we can get something good, maybe some short prints, rookies, autos, anything would be great. These have that nice black border, 1971 Topps look to them. Got Max Muncy, Wilson Contreras, strikeout leaders Garrett Cole, who's now in the Yankees, Justin Verlander, and Shane Bieber. That's a nice card. Some good pitchers on that card. Some all-star pitchers. 2020 rookie stars, Zach Collins and Dylan Cease. Martin Perez. Franmil Reyes. Chris Bassett. Ooh, there's a nice card. Ronald Acuna Jr. You can't go wrong with Ronald. Nice. Ronald, I think it's a second-year card. As far as when his rookie went was 2018, I believe. Future of baseball. Ronald Acuna. It's in good shape too. A little off-center. It's a nice card. Joe Torre and Anthony Rendon. Jose Osuna. Luke Voit, the Yankees. Austin Romine. Kevin Biggio. Second year card. Ooh, Bo Bichette. 2020 rookie card, along with Anthony Kay. That's a good card. That's a good future star in the making. Bo Bichette had a great minor league career. Put him up next to Ronald Acuna. Pedro Baez. So that's a pretty decent pack. Got the Ronald Acuna and the Bo Bichette. Alright, let's see here. RBI leaders, Jose Abreu, Xander Bogaerts, Jorge Soler. Rafael Devers. 2020 rookie stars, AJ Puck, Seth Brown, and Jesus Luzardo. Nick Markakis. Trey Turner. Trevor Bauer. Good pitcher there. Taylor Rogers. Wilson Ramos. Gio Urshela, the Yankees. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. Trevor Richards. Ian Kennedy. Brandon Lowe. He had a good 2020 season. Max Scherzer. Kenley Jensen. Open it up. Another Nick Markakis. Andrew Cashner. Griffin Canning. Austin Hayes. One of my favorite young prospects that I'm buying a lot of right now. Jose Quintana. Chris Davis. Pablo Sandoval. Carson Kelly. This is Flashbacks. Hank Aaron. Hammer and Hank Aaron. I don't know if they really call him that. I think it sounds good though. Adam Ottavino. Jed Gayorko. Excuse me if I mispronounce the name. I'm not perfect, people. Anibal Sanchez. Ian Desmond. Marco Gonzalez. Julio Theron. Right. Pack number 4. It's important not to damage the cards when opening up the packs. Alright. Will Smith. Nice up-and-coming catcher for the Dodgers. Gary Sanchez. Brandon Workman. Matt Beattie. Willie Calhoun. Shane Green. Brandon Woodruff. Lorenzo Cain. Tom Seaver. Flashbacks. Anibal Sanchez. Adam Engel. Starlin Castro. Marco Gonzalez. Julio Theron again. Nicky Lopez. Number 5. Give me something good. Topps Heritage. Luis Severino. Seth Lugo. Ahmed Rosario. Cal Contrell. National Celebrate. Sandy Alcantara. Paxton. German Marquez. Willie Mays. Willie Mays. Insert card. Matt Carpenter. Brian Reynolds. Steven Matz. Roberto Perez. Brandon Belt. Brendan Rodgers. He's another one I bought a lot of. Young prospect. Still waiting to make an impact in the majors. Like his potential. And last but not least, is this going to produce anything for me? RBI leaders, Abreu, Bogarts, Solar. I think it's the second one I got on that one. Devers. I think this is the exact pack I opened earlier. Puck, Brown, and Luzardo. Markakis. Rookie stars. Yamamoto. Zan Diaz. Harold Ramirez. Roddy Tellez. Pitching leaders, Strasburg, Fried, Hudson, Kershaw. Then and now, Willie Stargell, Pete Alonso. It's a cool card. Anything Pete Alonso is good. Put that one right there for now to fill up the stands. Nomar Mazara. Jackie Bradley Jr. Josh Reddick. Teoscar Hernandez. Luke Weaver. And Jake Junis. There you have it. So I think the top cards that I got out of those packs are the Bo Bichette. Whoa! There we go. Let's knock over to the stand. The Bo Bichette, the Ronald Acuna there, and the Pete Alonso with Willie Stargell. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Hit that subscribe button. Take care now. Bye-bye then.